Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do an easy bun hairstyle using just 2 knots. To start, pop the hair into a ponytail about mid-height. Then gently pinch and pull at the hair around the top and sides to loosen things up a little bit. Next, I'm going to split the ponytail in half. And starting with the top half, I'm going to divide this into 2. Then I'm just going to tie these sections together in a simple knot, as if you were tying your shoelaces. Hold this to the hair above the elastic band and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Then divide that bottom section in half, and again we're going to create 1 more knot. Once you've done your knot, we're going to flip this up towards the head so it slightly overlaps that first one, and again secure all the way around the outside with a few bobby pins. Then we're going to gently pinch and pull each loop and twist of this bun just to create a little more fullness. And with those tail ends, I'm just going to slip a bobby pin onto the end and just wrap the ends around a couple of times. Then just slip it into the bun where it looks good. And then just repeat the same steps with all the tail ends. So wrap your bobby pin and just slide it into the bun. If you're new to my channel or just find yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.